Let's see what EVBase have gave me this round, yeah? It's a piece of rubber, yeah, but this piece of rubber is very useful because I'm going to use this to put it on top. This rubber here, it's not all rubber, yeah? This place is soft, okay? This is slightly harder, and there are some metal piece inside here, yeah, which is still flexible, but it's firm, yeah, it's firm. So this part here will actually be holding on to the plastic piece here. Yep. There are some dirts because water can still come in, and dirt can still come in. So let's try and block it out, yeah, to make this place as clean as possible, so that even here, yeah, will be cleaner. We can actually just pry it from here, from the side, yeah, just pull it, and this will just pop out, yeah. So same as that side as well, pulling from here, and pop it out. The whole piece will just come out itself. Once this is out, you'll be able to see all this, yeah, all this interior, and there's some webs here as well, spider webs, don't know why. Okay, so this is really the first time I'm opening this, and pretty straightforward. Yeah, just push it in. Okay, I think I'm done. Yeah. So just put it right in the middle. Okay, now this place is clipping in. This is clipping in as well. Just nice. This one as well. Clip it. And there you go, it's done. This definitely will help me to reduce the sound, the noise from outside. I have a quieter cabin. I think it also helps me to open the hood even higher than usual, yeah, because there's a piece of rubber there. So let's open this. There you go. It's slightly higher than usual because the rubbers are here, yeah. So it's really intact. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and if you guys want to buy this for your Model 3 or your Model Y, just hit the link below. You will get an extra discount from EVBase using the link in my description here. Thank you guys, bye.